Brad Williams, XL Prime.
A few secrets on how to auto-update Sparklines. This is just the last example, and I'll be quick here. We have data. We have 19 entry points, and then just some random dates, random amounts, and we want the 7-day trend. The way to do this, I'm going to insert a formula into define name. So we go in, remember, to insert a defined name, we go to formulas, define name, and define name. We're going to type in trend. We're going to grab this formula, this offset formula. We're just going to paste it into here, into refers to. We're going to hit OK. What we want to do is we'll put insert. I'm just going to clear this, and I'm going to hit insert Sparkline, and then I'm going to type in trend. And there's our Sparkline. Just go hit markers, and we're good to go. Now, what's so dynamic about this? If we add a date, add another bit of information, we can control down, and let's do something dramatic, which is insert 1200. You can see it's dynamic. 7-day trend. Just add any information here, put 20. That's how it works. In terms of the offset is going to read this data, and it's going to pick out the last 7 bits of information. It's only going to count a certain bit of information, go to offset. You can use the offset to develop or build a 7-day trend.
Brad Williams, XL Prime. Thanks for watching.